Hey bitch. So I'm gonna do my nails today, and I wanted to show you guys how I created the double tip and how I just kind of glued the nails on top of each other. I am using the Kiss nail glue, but I'm using the gel pink nail glue. And so I'm not gonna do too much audio in this video. I'm just gonna pretty much let you guys watch. But I'm just gluing one nail on top of the other, and I'm just extending it so it can be the length that I would like, and you can make these as long as you want to because you're doubling it. And I just found that it was easier to do this first and then put the tips on my nail. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right here, and I'll just let you guys watch and I'll be back. So I'm going to go in with this nude colored polish by Gabriella. This is gel polish. And using the gel polish is better because it helps cover that ridge that's in the middle from where you doubled your tip. So I'm going to paint 2 coats of that. And then I'm going to go in with a glitter polish by LA Colors. And I'm going to do about 2 or 3 coats of that. And so I'll just let you guys watch me paint. And I'll be back to show you guys the end result. So right here, I'm just using a fast dry top coat, and I love the end result. I did do one thumb shorter than the other because it's my right hand and it just helps me text better. But yeah, this is the end result. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, bitch.